Ever pondered over the art of propagating dragon fruit from cuttings? Well, it's a fascinating journey that begins with a mature dragon fruit plant and ends with a new, thriving plant. To embark on this journey, one needs a healthy, mature dragon fruit plant. When selecting a plant, the stems should be green and free from disease. The ideal cutting is about 12 to 18 inches long, with several segments. Next, with a sharp, clean knife or pruning shears, cut the dragon fruit stem into segments. Each segment should be around 6 inches long. It's crucial that each segment has at least one healthy, established aerial root. Once the segments are cut, they need to air dry for a day or two. This drying period allows the cut ends to callus, which significantly reduces the risk of rot when planted. After the cuttings have dried, it's time to plant them. Insert the dried end of the cutting into a pot filled with well-draining soil or a cactus mix. The cutting should be planted about 2 to 4 inches deep. For those who have rooting hormone, dipping the cut end into it before planting can encourage root development. Sometimes a cutting may need a little support. If it's tall or tends to lean, a stake or a nearby object can provide the needed stability. The next step is watering and sunlight. Initially, water the cutting sparingly until it establishes roots. Once rooted, it can be watered more regularly. The pot should be placed in a location with bright indirect sunlight. Finally, when the cutting has developed a healthy root system and new growth, it can be transplanted into a larger container or directly into the garden. So, in summary, propagating dragon fruit from cuttings involves selecting a healthy cutting, drying it, planting it, providing support, and giving it appropriate water and sunlight. Once the cutting has developed roots and new growth, it can be transplanted. Remember, dragon fruit is a tropical plant, so it thrives in warm conditions. Make sure the plant gets plenty of sunlight and protect it from frost if living in a colder climate. Also, remember that the specifics may vary slightly depending on the variety of dragon fruit being propagated. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of propagating dragon fruit from cuttings. With patience and care, you too can propagate and grow your own dragon fruit plant.